Hello friends, welcome back to the online classes. Today I am going to take lesson number 3, pronouns. Okay, lesson number 3, pronouns. We have finished first and second chapter, noun and articles. Today I am going to take lesson number 3, pronouns. Now, read the following passage. Rabindranath Tagore was a great admirer of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. The love and admiration between them was mutual. Tagore called him Mahatma. He used to address Tagore as Gurudev. Now, notice that the word them in the above passage refers to Rabindranath Tagore and Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Words him and he refer to Gandhi. These words replacing the nouns in the above passage are called pronouns. So, replacing the nouns in the above passage, the words which replace the nouns are called pronoun, right? So the noun that a pronoun replaces is known as its antecedent. Okay? The noun that a pronoun replaces, okay, the pronoun which replaces the noun is called antecedent. Okay, that means before. Okay, antecedent. Now in the above passage, Rabindranath Tagore and Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi are the antecedents of the pronoun them. Gandhi is the antecedent for him and he. So they are antecedent before this pronoun. Okay, antecedent. That means they just follow after this pronoun. Okay, them, he, and him. As you know, the part of speech that replaces a noun is called a pronoun. Okay, the words that replace a noun is called a pronoun. Now look at the different types of pronouns shown below. There are categories. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 types of pronouns are there, and there are 2 sub parts of personal. So, which are those? Personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, relative pronouns, distributive pronouns, indefinite pronoun. Okay, these are the 8 types of pronouns, and in the personal, subjective and objective personal pronouns. So these are the pronouns. We will study them detailed one by one. So first one is personal pronouns. Now personal pronouns such as I, you, she, he, him, her, them, it stand for and replace persons or things. Okay, these all replace person or things. Okay, I, he, she, it, him, her, them, all these are replacing the nouns. Now there are 2 types of personal pronouns, subjective and objective. Okay, 2 types of pronoun, subjective and objective. Now the subjectives are the ones that play the role of a subject in a sentence. Okay, subjectives are those which play the role of a subject, that is I, he, we, he, she, it. Okay, I, we, he, she, it. These are the subjective. I am, he is, it is, she is, we are. Okay, these are the subjectives. They come in the place of subject. Objectives are the ones that play the role of an object of a preposition or a verb. Okay, objective pronouns are those which present as a which are used in the form of objective of a preposition or a verb. Okay, just like I love him. Okay, him is what? Objective of verb love, right? Love him, that is what. Now as an example given, Shantanu and Soma are friends. He likes her very much. She is also very fond of him. So likes whom? Her, and fond of whom? Him. So these are the verbs, come as an objective of verb used. Now in the sentences above, he and she play the role of subjects, and therefore they are personal subjective pronouns. Okay, he and she. The pronoun her in the second sentence plays the role of the object of the verb likes. The pronoun him acts as the object of the preposition of in the third sentence. Both are personal objective pronouns as they play the role of objects in the sentence. Understood? So they play the role of subject, objects, okay, in the sentence. that she is also very fond of him, So proposition of him, object. Now read the table below for different forms of personal pronouns. There are singular, plural number and gender. Then the first person, second person, third person, subjective and objective. They are given first person singular I, subjective, objective me, plural, subjective we, objective us. So like that it is given. The second type of pronoun is possessive pronouns. Possessive. The word possessive itself tells us that something possessing, possession. Pronouns that show possession or belonging are called possessive pronouns. Belonging, that something belongs to me. It is mine. Okay, that belongs to me. Now pronouns such as mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs are used while referring to possession. In English, there are two types, simple ways in which we can show possession or belonging: by using s with a noun or by using a possessive pronoun. Okay. Now, mine, ours, yours, these all are pronouns, as in the example given. Bijit is a friend of mine. So, whose friend? Mine. So, my possession is. Bijit is my possession, my friend. Shanta and Nupur are my cousins. Okay, my. Whose cousins? My cousins. So they are mine. Like that we use. Now, mine refers to the relationship of Bijit as a friend with reference to the speaker. Theirs shows the status of the car belonging to both Shama and Nupur. Now, the following table shows you the different forms of possessive pronouns. There are different types of possessive pronouns. First person, singular mine, plural ours. Second person, singular yours, same. And third person, his, hers, theirs. That is the way we use. Now, there is an exercise given here. Fill in the blanks with appropriate personal and possessive pronouns. Mention their antecedent, that no need. Okay. Now, dear Swati, thank you. The rest of the things you do it in your book. The next one, the third one, is demonstrative pronouns. Now, pronouns such as that, this, these, and those used to point to the specific things they refer to or are called demonstrative pronoun. We point, okay, that, this, those, these. No, we point. So whatever we point, they are called demonstrative. We demonstrate. Okay, this table. Okay, this blackboard. Okay, that clock. No, we show, point out. So they are called demonstrative pronouns, showing that. Now the words. When we read the passage, these are the gifts that my aunt gave me last year. That is the box in which my aunt brought all these gifts. My favorite among these is my family and other animals. You must read this. Now, the words in italics replace a point towards the nouns and are called demonstrative pronouns. They all are called demonstrative pronouns. Now, remember that this, that, these, and those are also used as demonstrative adjectives. That's remember, demonstrative pronoun is there as well as demonstrative adjectives. Now, or determinants. When these words qualify nouns, they play the role of demonstrative adjectives. Now, I like the color of this dress. Now, I will show with an example. I like the color of this dress. Okay. I like the color of this dress. Okay. Now, when I say this dress, okay, when I say this dress, this is coming before the noun dress. Okay, this is coming before the noun dress. So it will be used as demonstrative adjective. Okay, because it is qualifying the noun dress. That's why it is called demonstrative adjective and not the demonstrative pronoun. Now, when we use the pronoun, demonstrative pronoun is simple. This dress, or what do you call? This is the dress that I wish to buy. Okay, this is the dress. This is the dress. Okay, this. Now, here this is used as demonstrative pronoun. Okay. Here it was before the noun dress, so it will be used as demonstrative adjective. Whereas when in the started and after that verb is used, then it will be the demonstrative pronoun. I hope you might have understood this much. So do the exercise what is given here on page number 22. Tomorrow I will come back with the rest of the pronouns. Till then, stay home, stay safe, have a nice day. Thank you.